Hello! In this video I'm gonna show you how to perform hard reset, factory reset on your Osmo Pocket DJI. So in order to do that we'll need to go to our main menu. So just press on the camera so it turns on. Now scroll down from the top to down like this, go to the settings, and now just scroll to the right till you find the button with more. We press on it and press reset, and reset system parameters, press OK, and the device will turn off and will restart every setting. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.